In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Maya EWallet application. So first of all, launch open Maya application on your device. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see two options over here, start an account, login. If you do not have the account yet, tap on this option, start an account, that you can see on the screen. If you want to log into your account, tap on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your phone number over here. You can see over here the country code will be automatically selected. What you have to do is tap on the filter phone number and provide the valid phone number over here. Now after you do that, enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the password, tap on this option login, that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Maya eWallet app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.